Welcome to Perfection Honda, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our extensive inventory, and comes equipped with
smart device integration, premium synthetic seats, seat memory, auxiliary audio input, mirror memory, MP3 player, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, auto-dimming rear view mirror, climate control, powerful and efficient turbocharged engine, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Perfection Honda, our mission is simple: create a lifelong relationship with our customers by providing them the best products, service, and value in the automotive industry. We have been servicing the automotive needs of our customers in Albuquerque and Rio Rancho for over 35 years, and we strive to exceed your expectations in all parts of our business. So if you're looking for the best place to purchase your next vehicle, look no further than Perfection Honda. We're located at 2603 American Road, Southeast Rio Rancho.